Everybody, Jason Luboff here. Just want to go over this week some pretty handy functions, which are the sum, average, min, and max functions, which give your full, basically taking a numeric value and giving you either the full value of all rows, summary or sum, average, average value in all those rows, all added together and divided by number of rows. Minimum, the smallest value in there, and then maximum being the largest or max value. So I want to just go over that with the HCIT table, or database that is, sorry, using the lab codes table with the lab charge column. So if we execute that, we can see that we have quite a few different charges. So we have 35 different charges based on the procedure that would be performed. So I already wrote out my select command for getting all 4 of these functions, and then I just assign them each a name corresponding to what they give. So let's go ahead and run that. So we can see that sum gave us the sum of all 35 values added together. Average gave us the average lab charge. Minimum is our least expensive lab charge, and maximum is our most expensive lab charge. These definitely come in handy just in we can think of maybe a clothing store that they want to figure out what their average cost of an item is, maybe determine if either they need to raise their prices or lower their prices, determine their bottom end there. So they can use the average function and pretty quickly get what the average value of clothing they sell is, and then make that determination. One big thing to keep in mind is that null values are excluded in SQL. It ignores these. So we maybe have, let's say, 10 values or 10 rows, and one of those rows is null. But when getting the average, it's still going to divide by 10, even though one of those rows has a null value. So it's going to skew our results for our average. So that is just something to keep in mind. Definitely don't want to run into a situation like that where you end up getting a wrong value based on the fact that you have some null values in there. So hopefully you found this useful. I definitely think that I'll find this function useful in the future. Hopefully you will as well, and hope everyone has a great rest of the week. Thanks.